Here's the deal. I took the motor out of that Massey Ferguson. I have really did the cleaning on it. I mean, I took the carburetor off, took the exhaust out that was on it. I cleaned the fins as much as possible. I made sure that you could see through them so that air can flow through. Got this all cleaned up, looking really, really nice. No more grease, no more dirt. I mean, I could just slap this back in and call it good and not worry about it, but I have a little bit of a problem. I like this tractor a little much, so I found something I didn't see there. Alright, now back to what I was doing. Oh yeah, so because I like it so much, I want to do it right. I want to put it together nice and clean, and you know, after doing all the cleaning and whatnot, it should run better than ever. Went through, cleaned the carburetor. You know, so that looks really nice in there. Cleaned the jets. I even cleaned the choke door there. The float needle got cleaned. I even went as far as to clean that up. It goes on the bottom of the bowl here. So that's all clean. The bowl's clean. It was black. It is now silver, like it's supposed to be. This float is clean. The spring is right here with it, which we're gonna put over here so I don't lose them. And there's the washer for it. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Bowl washer. So we'll see. I don't think I'll have any problem starting it back up once I put it all back together. So we'll see what's up with that after this is all done and said. As you can tell, when I get over here, I went ahead, took this whole front off, experimented with some ideas on how to mount this motor nice and tight so it's not rocking back and forth. Couple already holes here, but like for instance, I don't like how that one is so close to the other one. So we'll see what's up. We'll see what happens. I personally am thinking about doing rails and then mounting it to the rails. You know, welding the welds on here, and then using bolts to bolt the rail that I mount the motor onto, because I want to use rubber bushings or some sort of rubber to absorb the vibration from the. But yeah, it's really good. It's really good frame, nice and solid still. So this is part 2 on rebuild for this Massey Ferguson. And the variable speed down there, I gotta get a different belt, which I'm not gonna worry about until after I put the motor back on, because it's gonna change size. And You know, this will probably be the last video of this that I put on Facebook. So if you want to keep up, or if you want to continue seeing more of my videos on this Massey Ferguson, you're going to have to go to my YouTube channel, which is Matt Becker, and you can get it. You can follow me on that from there, and you know, there'll be other videos, of course. So please go to my channel and subscribe, and we'll go from there. And thank you for watching.